Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm making a quick and easy little sweet treat and it's coming right up. So today I'm making my ginger and lemon balls. So if you're looking to make a healthy bliss ball, this is not the video for you. But if you're looking for a moreish little sweet treat, then stay tuned. So in my saucepan I have 125 grams of unsalted butter and 1 can of condensed milk. I put this on a gentle heat and I'm going to stir these two ingredients together now until they are nicely melted. In a large bowl I add 250 grams of ginger nut biscuits that I have processed into a fine crumb. Next I add the finely grated rind of 1 lemon and 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Then using a spoon or spatula, give all these ingredients a good stir. Next I add that warm condensed milk mixture and I give this all a thorough mix. In a separate bowl I have 1 3/4 cups of icing sugar. To this I add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 15 grams of butter. That's unsalted butter that's at room temperature. I'm going to give all these ingredients a good mix until it resembles a smooth icing. Next, add this icing to that original ginger nut mixture and give it a good stir. So this next step you have to go by feel. You need to keep on adding enough desiccated coconut to get the mixture to the right consistency, where it's dry enough to easily shape into balls that are going to hold their shape. Next, 1 teaspoon at a time, roll this mixture into these little balls and then toss them in coconut. Remember to store these little ginger and lemon balls in the fridge. Must be taste test time. Let's have a little try. Just a really yummy little snack that's a little bit naughty, great for afternoon tea with a cup of tea or coffee. And it's just a little bit different. Not like your usual rum balls or apricot balls. Something that's just a little bit unique. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want the recipe for it, go and check out the description box below where you'll find the link to my website. From there, you can find the recipe and enjoy. I'll see you next time.